Dear children, a happy welcome to you all. This is your Shahana ma'am. How are you all? Hope you are all fine out there. Today, let's do a small recap on our writing strokes. Which are our writing strokes? Standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines and curve, right? Let's do that recap through a happy rhyme. You all know our happy rhyme, right? Let's sing our happy rhyme. Let's start. If you're happy and you know it, make a standing line. All of you make a standing line. If you're happy and you know it, make a sleeping line. Make a sleeping line with your finger. Yes. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, make a slanting line. Forward slanting line, backward slanting line. If you're happy and you know it, make a curve. Now all of you make a curve with your fingers. See, you can make a curve like this, and with this finger also you can make a curve. Yes, very good children. Now you have learned all the writing strokes. So you all know the strokes, right? Now you are ready to learn the letters or the alphabet. See children, today I have a box with me. Can you see a box here? Yes, it's full of letters. There are a few letters inside the box. Do you want to see that? Do you want to see this box? See? Wow, it's a beautiful box, right? There are some letters inside it, but it is locked. How will we open this? It is locked. Okay, it is written something over there. Let me read. Oh, you have to sing the ABCD rhyme. If you sing ABCD rhyme only, it will open. So shall we sing our ABCD rhyme? Will you repeat after me? Yes, we will sing the ABCD rhyme. Then only we can open the box. Shall we sing? Okay, let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. ABCs, sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Wow, children, we have sung the rhyme ABCD, right? Oh, now the box is ready to open. Yes, now we can open the box. Yes, now there is no lock. Oh, children, I can see some letters inside it, but they are all sad. Let me ask them why they are sad. Why are you sad? Oh, they are saying you need to make their sound. You need to make their phonic sound. Then only they will come out. Okay, children? Shall we make some letter sound? Will you make letter sound with me? Let's make letter sounds one by one. Let's make the first sound. All of you repeat with me. Make together. We'll make together. All of you make the sound. A. A. Oh, now the letters are happy. Some letters are ready to jump out. Wow. See? 2 letters are very happy and they have jumped out of the box. See, children? We have 2 letters here. See? They are so happy. Which are these letters? We have made the sound A. Right? We have made the sound A. So these letters make the sound A. See? Both these letters are different, right? This is different and this is different. Both are different. But they make the same sound A. So children, which letter is this? Can you guess? Yes, this is letter A. Wow, very good children. This is letter A. And this is big letter A. And this is small letter A. This big A and small a are different. But they make the same sound A. They make the same sound A. See children, now big letter A and small letter A are ready to show some pictures beginning with their sound A. Let me see some pictures. Let us see. See, they have got some pictures for us. What is this? Yes, an apple. Apple. Apple is beginning with the sound A. Apple. Apple is beginning with the sound A. What's the color of the apple? Yes, it's red in color. Is apple a healthy food? Yes, apple is a healthy fruit. Now, the next picture is, yes, it's an ant. It's an ant. Ant is also beginning with the sound A. Ant. What's the color of the ant? This ant is brown in color. There are different colors of ants. Red, brown, black, right? See? Here you can see a red ant. Right? Now, let's see other pictures. Oh, what is this? Have you seen this before? This is an ambulance. Have you seen this? Yes, on the road. Then, yes, in the hospitals. Yes, you can see it on the roads as well as from hospitals. Right? This is an ambulance. Whenever some people is very sick or whenever somebody got injured badly, they will be taken in an ambulance. Ambulance. Ambulance is beginning with the sound A. Now, what can you see here? Have you seen him before? This is an astronaut. He's an astronaut. Have you seen this before? Picture or on TV? Yes, astronaut. Astronaut is also beginning with the sound A. Astronaut will go to moon. Moon in a spaceship. Right? Yes. Now, what is this? This portion of the leg. This is an ankle. See, this portion is a ankle of your foot. An ankle. All of you say ankle. Ankle. Ankle is also beginning with the sound A. So children, now we have seen different pictures beginning with the sound A or beginning with the letters A. Beginning with the letter A. Now let's see how to make A or how to trace A. Children, now let's see how to make or how to write letter A. See, you can see many strokes here, right? You have learned curves, left open curve, right open curve, slanting lines. All these strokes are there. With which stroke we will make A? Let's see how to make letter A. First we need to take, first we need to take a forward slanting line. Yes, first we will forward slanting line. Then how to make A? Then we will take a backward slanting line. See? Now what is required? Standing line? No, a sleeping line. Yes, I'll take the small sleeping line and we'll keep it here. So we have made a letter A with forward slanting line, backward slanting line and a sleeping line. Now let's see how to trace letter A. Big letter A. Okay, see? Hold your pencil on your crocodile mouth and start from here. Bring down forward slanting line, backward slanting line, sleeping line. Once again, forward slanting line, backward slanting line, sleeping line. Now let's see how to make small letter A. For small letter A, what can you see here? A curve and a standing line. Which curve we have to select? A right open curve. See, where is a right open curve? Yes, here we have a right open curve. So take a right open curve. Then we will take a standing line. So now we will place a small standing line here. So we got the small letter A right open curve and a standing line. Now let's see how to trace small letter A. See, right open curve, then a small standing line. Right open curve and a small standing line. Okay children, now we have learned how to trace big A and small a. Now let us go for a small activity. See children, this is your activity. What can you see here? There are many spaceships with some letters on it, right? So you can see different letters on the spaceship. And who is this? He is an astronaut. He is an astronaut. Astronaut wants to go to the moon. So he wants to select the spaceship where the letter A is written. Where is letter A? He needs to find out. So he is going to find out the spaceship with letter A. Is this letter A? No, he is going to find out the letter A. Yes, he has found the letter A. So astronaut has selected the letter A. Why? Because astronaut is beginning with the letter A. Is beginning with the sound A. Okay children, do you like this activity? Children, now the letter A is very happy because they have shown us all the pictures beginning with their sound, as well as we have told the sound of those letters, right? Big A and small a. Now see, we have got some more letters inside our box. They are all very sad. We need to take them out, right? So for that, what we have to do? We have to make the sound of one more letter. We'll make the sound B. We'll make the sound B now. So all of you repeat with me. All of you make the sound B. Then only the letters will come out. All of you make the sound together. B. 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 Yes, two letters are happy. They are trying to jump out. Yes, let me take them. Yes, I have got two letters. Can you guess which letter is this? Which letters are these? Yes, this is big letter B and this is small letter B. They are different, right? This big B as well as small letter B are different, but they make the same sound B. They make the same sound B. Now this letter B is also ready to show some objects which are beginning with the sound B, beginning with the letter B. Are you ready to see those objects? Yes. Now, oh, they are ready to show some objects here. Yes, they are having, what is this? A ball, right? Ball, ball. Ball. Ball is beginning with the sound B. Ball is beginning with the letter B. What you will do with the ball? You can play football, you can play cricket. There are different types of ball, different sizes of ball, right? Yes. I want to hit the ball with something to play cricket. What will I use? Yes, something is here with me. I have a bat. What is this, children? This is a bat. Bat is also beginning with the sound B, bat. Right? See? Bat, ball. And children, I have, see, letter B got us a plate full of bananas, bread and biscuits. See? What is this? Banana. Banana is beginning with the sound B, banana. Then I've got, what is this? A bread, a piece of bread. Bread is also beginning with B, bread. And see, I'm having a biscuit. Biscuit is also beginning with the sound B, biscuit. Now I have got some pictures also. B letter has some pictures also to show us. Okay, see, what is this? A bus. 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 Then what is this? A butterfly. Butterfly. Then what can you see here? It's a bear. Bear is having some balloons. Bear, balloon. See, all these are beginning with the sound B. And what is this? A bag. A bag is also beginning with the sound B. Bag is also beginning with the sound B. So now we have seen many pictures and objects beginning with the sound B or beginning with the letter B. Now let's see how to make letter B or how to trace letter B. Now we will see how to make letter B, big letter B. See, this is big letter B. How we are making this? See how we are writing a standing line, then a left open curve and a left open curve. Two left open curves, right? Yes. Now we'll make with this. See, first we will take a standing line, then a left open curve, then again one left open curve, right? Okay children, so we have made the letter B. Now let's see how to Now let's see how to trace the letter B. First, make a standing line, then a curve, then one more left open curve. Okay children, now let's see how to make the small letter B. How will we make? See, a standing line and a one left open curve. See, we'll make that. See, first we'll take a standing line, then we'll take a left open curve. See, we have made small letter B. Now let's see how to trace small b. How to trace small b? See, start from here, make a standing line, then a left open curve. See, we have traced the letter small b. Now children, some letters are waiting inside the box. Let's go children, but before that let's do a small activity on letter B. So what can you see here? Yes, some colorful balloons. I have red balloon, white, yellow and green. See, I have many balloons here. Can you see something written over the balloon? Yes, some letters are there on the balloon. See, balloon is beginning with the sound B, balloon, right? So, other than B, some letters are also I can see on the balloons. We don't want those balloons. We will burst those balloons. Shall we do that? Yes. So, on this yellow balloon, which letter can you see here? Is this letter B? No, this is not letter B. This is letter A. So, shall we burst it? Oh, we don't want that, right? Now, what can you see here? This is a balloon with small letter B. So, we'll keep that. We don't want to burst it. Now, what can you see here on the red balloon? It's letter A. So, shall we burst? That's also gone. Now we have the green balloon. On the green balloon, what it is written? Yes, we have the letter big B. So we will not burst it. So we have balloon here. Two balloons here. Do you like this activity? Children, some more letters are waiting inside the box. They are very sad. Let us call them out. Yes, but you have to make the letter sound. Now we are going to make the sound K. All of you repeat with me. All of you join with me. Say the sound. Repeat the sound. K. 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 Yes, some letters are happy and they are going to jump out. Yes. Now I got two letters here. A big letter C, very good, and a small letter C. See, one is big and the other is small, right? Yes, they look same but the sizes are different, right? Yes, so this is big letter C and this is small letter C. They make the same sound K. They make the same sound K. Okay, now this letter C are also ready with some pictures to show us. Let's see. See? What is this? This is a cake. Do you all love cakes? Yes, right? So cake, cake, cake. Cake is also beginning with the sound K. Beginning with the sound K. Beginning with the letter C. And what can you see on the top of this cake? You can see candles. Yes, how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3. Right? 3 candles. Candles are also beginning with the sound. Listen to the word candle. Candle. Candle is beginning with the sound k, 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 candle. So candle is also beginning with the letter C. Now, what's in my hand? This is a picture of a caterpillar. Yes, caterpillar, crawl, crawl, crawl. Right? Caterpillar is also beginning with the sound k, 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 caterpillar. Yes. Now, what is this? These are, yes, carrots. What's the color of the carrot? Yes, it is orange in color. How many carrots do I have? 1, 2, right? 2 carrots. Carrots. Carrots is beginning with the sound k, 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 carrots. K, k, carrots. So it's beginning with the letter C. Now, what is this? It's a cup. Cup. Cup is also beginning with k. Cup is also beginning with the sound k, beginning with the letter C. And what is this? A cap. This is a cap. Cap is also beginning with the sound k, 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 cap. Okay children, now you have seen many pictures beginning with the sound k. Now let's see how to make letter C. See, now we will see how to make letter C. Letter C is a curve. It is a right open curve. So you can take a right open curve from here and see. It's just a right open curve. Now how to make small c? One more curve you take from here. We have right open curve. C is just a right open curve. Now let's see how to trace letters big C as well as small c. Okay, see how to trace big C. Start from here, make a curve like this and end here. Okay, and how to make small c? Start from here, make a curve and end here. Okay, so we have made big letter C as well as small letter C. Now let's do a small activity on letter C. Children, what can you see here? Yes, you can see 2 cars as well as a parking space. So in this activity, what we are going to do is, you have to park the car only on the letter C. You should not park on any other letters. Okay, let's start with the first car. See, it is going, we have to park the car. See, this is letter A, so we should not park there. So where we should park? Yes, now I found the letter C. Now the car is ready to park on the letter C. See, you can see the letter C. Now the first car is parked. Here comes the second car. It also has to park on the letter parking space where the letter C is written. So here I am searching for the letter C. Can you find letter C, children? Where can you find letter C? Yes, I have found the letter C. So I am going to park on letter C. Yes, this is our activity. Yes, you have to park your car, car on the letter C. See, car is also beginning with the letter C, beginning with the sound K. Children, 2 more letters are waiting inside our box. But for that, what we will do now? We have to make our letter sound. Then only they'll come out. They are looking very sad. Why didn't we call them? Shall we call them? Yes, we have to make the letter sound D. We have to make the letter sound D. All of you repeat after me. D. Join with me. D. 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 Yes, they are very happy. They are jumping out of the box. Yes, we got our two letters. Big letter D and small letter D. Yes, we have the letters D. Big D and small d. See, they look so different, right? Big D and small d is different, right? They are different. But they makes the same sound D. They makes the same sound D. Okay, now this letter big D and small d are ready to show some pictures for us. Let us see those pictures. Yes. See, children? What can you see here? This is a dolphin. Yes, this is a dolphin. Dolphin is beginning with the sound D. Dolphin is beginning with the sound D. 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 Dolphin. D. D. Dolphin. Where can you see dolphin? Yes, in water. It's a water animal. Yes. Now next we have a picture of a dog. Yes, dog. Dog is beginning with the sound. See, say the word dog. Dog. D. D. Dog. Yes, dog is also beginning with the sound D. Now one more picture. What is this? This is a duck. Duck is also beginning with the sound D. 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 Duck. D. D. Duck. And we have one more picture here. What is this? This is a dice. This is a dice. Have you seen a dice before? Have you seen this with your sister or brother playing on a board? Yes, this is a dice. Dice is also beginning with the sound D. 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 Dice. Now children, let's see how to make the letter D or how to trace the letter D. Children, let's see how to make the letter D, big D. See the letter D, how it is formed. See, a standing line and a left open curve. Okay, so first we'll make a standing line, then we'll take a left open curve, fix it. See, we have made the letter D, big D. Now let's make the letter small d. See, for small d we have a standing line and a right open curve. So we'll take a standing line, then we'll take a right open curve. See, now we have made a small letter D. Okay. Now let's see how to trace big D and small d. Okay, see, so here we have the dotted lines. We'll trace the big letter D. Start from here, bring down to make a standing line, then make a left open curve. Close it like this. So we have made the letter D. Now let's write or trace the letter, small letter D. For that also you have to start from here, make a standing line, then make a right open curve. Okay, small right open curve like this. See, we have made the letter D. So we have big D as well as small d. Okay children, now let's do a small activity on letter D. What is this children? I have shown you the picture right now, right? What is this? This is a dice. This is a dice. Dice is beginning with the sound D. Dice. You use it for playing board games, right? Yes, your brothers or sisters are using this one, right? Small one. Now I have a big dice here. So we are going to do an activity. What we are going to do is, see, I am going to roll the dice like this. I am going to roll the dice like this, and when you got a number like this, see, now which number, how many dots you can see here? One dot, right? If you see only one dot, that's number 1. So you have to make one clap, making the sound D. You have to clap also. Along with that, you have to make the sound D. Can you do it? Okay, now we are going to roll the dice. And we got the number. Count the dots. 1, 2, 3. So what shall we do now? Make 3 claps, saying the sound D. D, D, D. Wow, well done children. You can play like this with your dice at your home. Do you like this activity? Okay children. So children, today you have learned many letters. That is how to trace those letters as well as some words beginning with those letters. So children, you have to practice those words as well as their phonic sound of those letters, and also how to trace them properly. See you in the next class. Bye.